Venting and suction tube installation. In this video, we will explain how to install a venting tube on the KMS MF pump. Take the 4x6 soft PVC tube and cut as much as we need based on your system, which we'll need to make the venting kit, and insert it into the purge nozzle. At this point, fit the Pump K hose clamp kit for suction. Cut a small piece of the tube. Take the 3/8 4x6 tube fastening kit and pass the tube through the ring nut, the fixing ring, and close with the cone on the opposite side. Pass the half 4x6 hose clamp kit using the ring nut, the fixing ring, and close with the cone. In the next videos, we'll discover all there is to know about this sophisticated and reliable dosing system. Sign up to the channel to be kept up to date. MF, simple as water.